Hey guys, one guy fishing for fun here. Um, this is the first time I'm doing the intro after the fact, but went fishing today with my fiance's brother. We went to the Missouri River, and I decided to take it old school today. Weights, little hooks, and worms. You can't get much more old school than that. So stay tuned to find out what we caught. Coast Guard's driving by, guys.
You weren't defeated.
Wow. Wow, guys. That's a flathead. Beautiful colored little flathead.
I was hungry. Still feeling it?
Sturgeon! Woo! Sharp. And they keep predators from eating the fish.
But don't touch something like he is.
Yeah, don't do that.
Do you have a pair of gloves on you?
I do not.
Wow.
Okay, there's
He swallowed that sucker.
Yeah, so hold it just like that so it doesn't rotate. Okay.
Dyers.
Okay, we're gonna move this way. So I'm gonna try to get a picture of it. Okay. Not a bad little sturgeon, guys. Ah. Yes, I get it.
Still.
Please don't cut me. It's slippery.
It's so slippery. I think something's about to happen.
Oh God, I don't want to touch it.
Do you have like any kind of cloth with you? Here. Be getting good grip with this. Put it around his tail. Yeah.
Alright, take my picture.
First sturgeon.
Guys, so that first fish, that was a little flathead. I'd never seen a flathead with markings like that on it before that was that small. I've seen the markings on the bigger ones, but never ones that small. And that second fish, that was a shovel-nose sturgeon. And as you saw in the video, the sturgeon's defense mechanism is it has these blades going all the way down its back in lines. Um, and as the fish gets older and grows bigger, those dull and become basically non-existent. Guys, I cannot stress enough how cool this is. Sturgeon have been around since the dinosaurs, alright? And the biggest sturgeon I've ever seen was at a fish park in Oregon, and they had 3 sturgeon in a pool there, and each sturgeon was at least 13 foot long. These things get massive, and they live for hundreds of years. But if you are fishing in Missouri and you catch a sturgeon, make sure you look up the laws and regulations. Sorry, that's my dog. The laws and regulations, because sturgeon are pretty well protected here in Missouri. I don't know if they're trying to regrow the population or what the deal is, but whatever state you're in, make sure you check your rules and regulations. You don't want to accidentally keep a fish that, that could go extinct. I use that term very loosely, but again, that's my dog. And sorry, he's distracting me. Anyway, so this is one guy fishing for fun, signing out.